And for this honor, we have with us Professor A.K. Agarwal, President, Delhi Medical Council. With that, we have the Association President, Dr. Vinod Khetrapal. And then we have Acharya Guru, one of the most learned Acharya of the country, Acharya Dr. Sadhvi Sadhana Ji Maharaj. She is a PhD and DLit in literature. And we will request all three of them to do this honor of honoring few of the people for their contribution in the country in the field of medicine who have done some remarkable job in the last 1 year. One was eMedinews Lifetime Achievement Award, that was given to late Dr. K.B. Sharma, who we lost him this year, and we gave it to Dr. Urmil Sharma. She came in the morning. She could not stay until afternoon, but we announced it here that she received this award as eMedinews Lifetime Achievement Award to late Dr. K.B. Sharma. Second on the list is eMedinews Medical Statesman of the Year 2011 award, and that goes to none other than Professor Alka Kriplani from All India Institute of Medical Sciences for her contribution in the field of gynecology, obstetrics, and gynecological cancer surgery. A wonderful teacher, a teacher par excellence, and a clinician par excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Professor Alka Kriplani with eMedinews Medical Statesman of the Year 2011 award. Few words.
It's a real pleasure. I have been associated with Dr. K.K. Agrawal for more than, I think, it's nearing 2 decades. And it's a pleasure to see this one-man army working for academics as well as for practitioners. He has something or the other for everybody. And I'm really honored to be here today.
Thank you, madam. In the category, we also have 2 special awards before we announce some of the doctors. And that is, we really wanted to honor a few people who have contributed significantly in the field of promoting indigenous development of something in the field of cardiology. There was a time when everybody thought that stents in India are very costly, and they were costing 1.25 lakhs stents, and the hospitals were billing to any amount, and the hospital was getting them for 90,000, 95,000, 1 lakh. And then came an era when some of the people in India who started developing stents, and they made them approved by the European CE, and they are now approved by European agencies also. And we would like to honor, we have identified one such group, and may I invite Mr. Gurmeet Singh and Punita Sharma to join us on the dais for Mr. Gurmeet Singh Chup, the Director of Translumina Therapeutics. And today stands by the costliest stent today is 65,000 and the cheapest one is 12,000. And Not theirs. All stents. All stents in India, the costliest stent is 65,000 and the cheapest is 12,000. And that will only be possible if indigenous people starts coming and entering into the field. And that's we thought of honoring these two people. Would you like to say one word? Yes.
I think we are very overwhelmed with this recognition. I think, as Dr. Agrawal was saying, we were in this field. I mean, to a certain extent, we also had our own tenures in multinational, and there is a time which comes in the development of any country that indigenous solutions are being sought after. So today we are very proud that coronary artery disease, which is almost becoming an epidemic in India, we have laid a foundation, and this is for the first time that an Asian company, which is our Indian company, has got a publication even in Journal of American College of Cardiology for the quality of performance of the stent. So I really thank Dr. Agrawal for recognizing us, and I think this will also motivate a lot of other companies in India to start such endeavors. Thank you.
There was a time when Dr. Venugopal created a history in the city of Delhi by starting the first cardiac transplant in India, in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And last year we saw another such person at Gangaram Hospital who did a transplant in the city of Delhi in the private sector, none other than Dr. Sujay Shad. Please join us. eMedi News is honored to honor him with eMedi News Doctor of the Year Award in the field of cardiothoracic surgery. Sujay, what next? What next? Heart transplant is done. What next?
It's been a hard work actually over the last 6-7 years to get the heart transplant program going. We not only had to get the transplant program, we had to make sure that the patients survive. So you have to select your patients correctly, you have to select the hearts correctly, you have to educate a lot of people, you have to educate your own team. So it's taken some time, but I think we have done well in being careful, cautious, and very steady. I think that's the game we play on, and we make it a successful program over the next few years. Thank you.
An interventional cardiologist, a younger one, we were looking for a younger interventional cardiologist who is doing the maximum number in the city of Delhi, Dr. Praveer Agarwal from Escorts, and Mr. Tariq Julfikar to receive on his behalf. For Dr. Praveer Agarwal from Escort Heart Institute, he is in Bombay. We're also looking for a young budding pediatrician in the city. And we have with us Dr. Balraj Singh Yadav from Gurgaon. Balraj Singh Yadav from Gurgaon. And we have seen his enthusiasm, a budding pediatrician who was actively involved in the recently being concluded Pedicon today in Gurgaon. Dr. Balraj Singh Yadav. We have one person you can see him every day on the net, and he says, if the time permits to him, he will say every day is a cancer day. He says, World Heart Day, he says, correlated to cancer. If you're talking about Women's Day, he says women and cancer. And who is a person who is responsible for not only promoting cancer care, but also making it happen as a campaign, as a crusader, that cancer now have become a notifiable disease. Dr. Manoj, to join us, Dr. Manoj Sharma. Can I request Nilesh to please join us on the stage? Nilesh Agarwal, who is a director in eMedi News and IGCP. Any other days left for cancer?
Geriatric day. But I must say that it is all possible because there was a kind of enthusiasm in me because of my dean who has been here, and he has always been very encouraging, and he understood our problems of treating poorest of the poor. His faculty and his hospital treats poorest of the poor cancer patients free of cost. And when it is stopped due to some reasons, it's concerned all of us. But then we carried on treating patients with chemotherapy, and now we are the one who are treating poorest of poor, largest number of cases.
A person who in Gujarat, in Surat, doing a wonderful job in terms of social medicine, and all over he has been contributing in the field of social medicine. Dr. Chandresh Jardosh from Surat, Gujarat. He has come all the way from Gujarat to receive this honor, and he has a train back at 4 o'clock. Dr. Chandresh. Dr. Chandresh. In the field of social medicine, Dosh, would like to say a few words?
My special thanks to Dr. K.K. Agarwal. He has done this work conference very successful and very magnificent. 24 karat gold. Really, thank you very much, sir.
In the field of social medicine, and they have not come in person, but their group has come as a joint, Dr. Ravi Kant Singh, to receive on his behalf our two young representatives in the field of social medicine. Dr. Ravi Kant Singh. They receive for being an NGO. This is an award being given to an NGO run by Dr. R.B. Singh. Like to say something?
We've had the opportunity to work with Ravikant for some time now, and we know that if we have youngsters like him working with the dedication that he has towards community service, I think India will be a better place. Thank you.
I just want to announce two people because I have not heard from them, and they did confirm from outside Delhi that they will be reaching here. One is Dr. T. Samraj from Dental Sciences, any representative from his side, and Dr. Jayant, Dr. Kusum Chandra Ambhure, both of them are from outside Delhi, have not been able to reach here. Dr. J.N. Balwalikar is on his way. He should be here in the next couple of minutes and before the functions finishes. In the meantime, I'll request now Dr. Pavan Gupta, our organizing secretary, to get few of his teammate, the person responsible for making this event a success, to call one by one and get them honored.
On behalf of the organizing team, I'm really lucky to have my associates with Dr. G.M. Singh, Dr. Sudesh Ratan, Dr. O.P. Jain, Dr. Mayank Gupta and Dr. Neeraj Gupta. And I would like to say a word of thanks to them for their cooperation in every sphere. And I request our chief guest to honor them with mementos. First of all, Dr. G.M. Singh. Dr. Dinesh Negi. Dr. O.P. Jain. Dr. Sudesh Ratan. And
I'll now request आप यहीं बैठे Acharya Sadhvi Sadhana Ji Maharaj to just bless us with a few words.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वकल्याणकारिणां प्रधानां सर्वधर्माणां जैनं जयतु शासनम् अहिंसा जयतु शासनम्। आज मेडी न्यूज की कॉन्फ्रेंस है। आप सुबह से विभिन्न थेरेपियों के बारे में जानकारी ले रहे होंगे, किस तरह हम अपनी हेल्थ को ठीक रख सकते हैं और कैसे नई टेक्नोलॉजी जो विकसित हुई हैं उनका लाभ उठाकर हम अपने को बिल्कुल क्योर कर सकते हैं। लेकिन विज्ञान और अध्यात्म दोनों एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं, दोनों अलग नहीं हैं। क्योंकि डॉक्टर भी कहता है कि आप जितना मन से सकारात्मक सोचोगे, नकारात्मक ऊर्जाएं दूर होंगी, आपका मनोबल जितना बढ़ेगा उतनी जल्दी आप स्वस्थ होंगे और आप जितना प्रसन्न रहेंगे उतनी ही जल्दी निरोगी होंगे। तो अध्यात्म भी सब यही सिखाता है। योग की बात आए, योग के 8 अंग हैं, उसी प्रकार से शरीर के अंदर बहुत सारी चीजों की जरूरत है। हम उसको बाहर से पूरा करते हैं और आध्यात्मिक लाइफ के अंदर योगा, मेडिटेशन और प्राणायाम, एक्सरसाइज आप लोग भी बताते हैं, तो वही सारी प्रक्रियाएं वहां भी आती हैं। तो दोनों में कुछ अलगाव नहीं है। हम दोनों को यदि एक मिलाकर के करें तो बहुत सी बातें हमारे सामने आती हैं। अध्यात्म के रहस्य इतने गहन हैं, अध्यात्म में समर्पण है और साइंस में तर्क खड़ा होता है। आज जो ठीक है कल वो ठीक नहीं है, ऐसी बातें जो है कि सामने आती हैं। तो उसमें कहा है कि बतलाया गया कि हमारे जीवन के अंदर जब हम सकारात्मक सोच को अपनाते हैं और जीवन के अंदर जब जो प्रक्रियाएं हमारे महापुरुषों ने बताई हैं हम उनको करते हैं, थीटा तरंगे उत्पन्न होती हैं, बीटा तरंगे डाउन होती हैं और हमारा जीवन स्वस्थ बनता है। तनाव, अवसाद, चिड़चिड़ापन और जो क्रोध आने की स्थिति है ये सब दूर होते हैं। वाणी पर संयम होता है। ये सारी चीजें जो है कि बतलाई गई हैं और वही हमारे डॉक्टर बतलाते हैं। कुछ दवाइयों के माध्यम से देते हैं, कुछ अपनी वाणी के माध्यम से देते हैं और कुछ जो है कि आपको समझाकर आपकी मानसिक स्थिति को सुदृढ़ बनाकर आपको वहां तक पहुंचाते हैं। तो मतलब है कि हम कैसे हेल्दी रहें। बात वही है, तो हम किसी भी प्रकार से करें, क्योंकि कहा है कि जो है कि वाणी जो है बहुत बड़ी ताकत है। एक डॉक्टर अपनी वाणी से मरीज को निरोग करता है, एक डॉक्टर अपनी वाणी से मरीज को सोचने के लिए क्या करता है, विवश कर देता है। तो बहुत सारे उदाहरण हैं इसके। तो कहते हैं कि शब्द के हाथ पांव नहीं होते, लेकिन एक वचन औषधि के समान होता है और एक वचन का घाव जो है इतना तीखा होता है कि वो पूरे जीवन क्या है कि दंश देता रहता है। तो मैं आपको यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने जीवन में मुस्कुराहट को अपनाइए, प्रसन्नता को अपनाइए, दिल खोल कर हंसिए। मुस्कुराहट भी एक थेरेपी है, आप उसको अपने जीवन में उतारेंगे तो आप जरूर निरोग हो जाएंगे। ये जो ई मेडी न्यूज है, ये अवेयरनेस के लिए है कि हम जीवन के अंदर अवेयरनेस लाएं, उनसे सावधान रहें, आने वाले रोगों से अपना बचाव करें। ये कॉन्फ्रेंस इसीलिए की जा रही है कि पूरे विश्व के अंदर नई टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रसार हो, अध्यात्म का जो है प्रसार हो, हमारे अंदर सहिष्णुता बढ़े, तनाव कम हो, अवसाद कम हो, इसीलिए ये की गई है। और यदि आप लोग इस प्रतिज्ञा को करके जाते हैं, हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस सफल होगी और इसका संदेश पूरे विश्व के अंदर जाएगा। ये निरंतर गतिमान होते हुए जो है कि प्रतिदिन मतलब ये एक न्यूज लेटर इस प्रकार का निकलेगा जिसमें आपके पूरे हेल्थ के टिप्स होंगे, आपको अपने आप का डॉक्टर बनने का एक नुस्खा जो है कि वो उसके अंदर बताया जाएगा। तो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस सफल हो। डॉक्टर के अग्रवाल जो बहुत ही मेहनत करके इसको आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं, मानव मात्र का कल्याण करने के लिए उन्होंने एक संकल्प किया है। आप हम सब मिलकर चरेवेती उनके साथ कदम बढ़ाकर चलें। एक सूर्य पूरे संसार को रोशनी देता है, उसी प्रकार एक संकल्प इतने मनुष्यों में संकल्प जगाता है। आप सब संकल्पवान बने और यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ ग्रहण करके जाएं, प्रतिज्ञा करके जाएं कि हमें दूसरों को कुछ देना है और हमें उन्हें स्वस्थ बनाना है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देती हूँ। ओम शांति।
Thank you, Acharya ji. Dr. Vinod Khetrapal, President, Delhi Medical Association, to give his message.
Thank you, Dr. Agrawal, Dr. A.K. Agrawal, Dean, Sadhvi ji, and Dr. K.K. Agrawal are all my friends of the RISE. I know Dr. K.K. Agrawal for so many years, and he's been organizing so many conferences in the past years, and he's doing such a lot of good academic activity. Every day morning you get up and you see the e-Medi news, and you'll be getting wiser every day by definitely reading to his views in the e-Medi news. And the recently had conference of DMA also. It was made, it was organized very well by all of us, and the first flavor added to the conference was active participation of Dr. K.K. Agrawal, who was a thrilling experience to the audience, and he was really, I'll say that he gave a very good. The appreciation was huge for Dr. K.K. Agrawal in the in Hall A, and all the CME activities which he is holding every year are a great benefit to the medical profession. Here I'd like to add certain more points of DMA as well, because the DMA has been working very actively for the medical profession, and we have been able to get very good benefits for the medical profession, like the ESI Act and the other Delhi Nursing Registration Act, So all the people have benefited quite a lot with this our active participation for the Nursing Home Registration Act. So and I once again congratulate all of you, Dr. K. Agarwal and his team for the organizing this conference. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Because we do have some speakers after this session, I'll request to Dr. Professor A.K. Agarwal to honor all our speakers who are going to speak after this session. I'll just request Dr. Surendra Kumar to please join us here. Dr. Surendra Kumar to receive his award from Dr. A.K. Agarwal, our speakers. Dr. Surendra Kumar. Dr. Surendra Kumar, Dr. S.N. Khanna, Dr. Neelam Mohan, Dr. Suman Gupta, Dr. Vinay Sanghi. Can I have their awards? ले आइए फटाफट डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार Can I have the photographer, please? Can somebody call the photographer from outside? ये फोन करेंगे फोटोग्राफर को आदित्य In the meantime, Dr. S.N. Khanna, please join us on the stage. Dr. Suman Gupta, to please join us on the stage. Dr. Vinay Sanghi is already here. Dr. Vinay Sanghi, please join us on the stage. Dr. Vinay Sanghi. Dr. Surendra Kumar. ले लो, सुनो, बेटा सुनो, फोटो. Dr. Suman Gupta. Dr. Neelam Mohan. Dr. Vinay Sanghi. Vinay. Vinay was here. Neelam, this is supposed to go to Dr. Sain. Okay. Dr. Vinay is not here. Vinay Sanghi. I'll now request Dr. A.K. Agarwal, before he bless us, to light the lamp and then give us the blessings. Acharya ji, Acharya ji. Dr. S.N. Khanna, he did not receive his... Dr. Vinay Sanghi, the photographer, please. Just hold down, let the photographer come. बाहर पर क्यों जा रहा है photographer? The photographer, please. बैठ जाओ. डॉक्टर इसका विनोद इसका दे दो, डॉक्टर विनोद खेत्रपाल का. I'll request Dr. A.K. Agarwal to honor Dr. Vinod Khetrapal. बेटे आप जाओ नहीं यहां से. दे दो. ये दे दो.
अच्छा फूल तो ले लीजिए.